I'm Douglas Ho. I'm the founder and director of F11 Foto Museum, and I'm also the owner of a gallery called F22 Photo Space in Hong Kong. Here, we'd like to create an F11 Photo Museum which is unique. Unique in the sense that we always focus on, for example, photography exhibition. We also display a lot of the photo books and publications, and at the same time, we have regular exhibitions of cameras. I would say that for this Blackpink Leica exhibition, it's the first ever Blackpink Leica exhibition organized in the world. And I'm sure it's also the largest in terms of scale. Perhaps with the exception of the very first Leica, which is what they call the Leica, a prototype made in the year 1914, I think I've got one of each of all the models shown in the poster. Asking one of my favorite, for sure, the M3, the original M3, because this is the mother of everything. And if you look at the M3 released in 1954 and the screw mount cameras that represented Leica until this point, this is revolutionary because of at least 9 to 10 different improvements. The outlook is completely different. And then since I think it's become one of the most popular cameras in the world. These are all M cameras. Interestingly, what I want to show you is you could still put one of the most recent lenses on a camera this old, and then you can still use it just like any other M cameras or M lenses made in the last 65 years. And then I've selected a few what I would call the special editions. For example, this red camera, it was launched in the year 2017. And the same year, or the year before, Leica actually launched a red lens. So for the camera and the lens, only 100 pieces each were made and distributed worldwide. So this lens, when it was launched, I think the official price was about 65,000 Hong Kong dollars. But in one of the recent auctions, this lens alone went up to $500,000 Hong Kong dollars. This is a special edition camera named after this musician Lenny Kravitz, because Lenny Kravitz shoots mostly black and white cameras. So this camera is what we call a monochrome. But at the same time, it's quite revolutionary. This is vegan leather. This is, I think, it's done in collaboration with Stella McCartney. So this is also a very rare set, 125 sets altogether. My love for photography is the force behind the project. One of the key reasons why I established F11 Photo Museum is to have a more permanent place and a platform that photo lovers could actually gather, and there could be exhibitions, there could be different kinds of activities relating to photography, and also collections relating to photography and cameras to be housed in such a museum.